Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 23rd and we're going to be updating here. This is Brent Crude oil. Okay, so some doesn't have a lot of reaction so far after the weekend news on the war with Iran. But nonetheless, if we look at the technical structure here, this current rally after we bottom on April this year has been in an impulsive structure here, 1 2 3. Okay, and we're calling this low back in April 14 as a significant cycle degree with 2 lows. So this is the super cycle low. We finished with 1 and we finished the entire correction with 2, and then now starting to really turn higher. So expect a lot of upside in the coming months and years in oil, and that will be quite inflationary just basically for the coming next months and years, right? Eventually it's going to break above this 136 again, maybe within 1 to 2 years here. Okay, so if I drop down now to the daily, this is the weekly time frame. So in the low, basically the intermediate low is this $58 here. Okay, so this $58 is going to be quite significant low back in April this year, and you can see the rally is clearly impulsive. So in terms of the options on the alternates, yes, I can move around some of this labeling here. It really doesn't matter, right? Yes, we could be looking for a little bit bigger pullback here and there, but the idea is as long as we stay above 58.39, any kind of pullback from the peak, from the last peak after the April 4 is this one, right? And any pullback from this last peak will continue to find buyers in 3 swing or in 7 swing. So if you can see a credible 3 swing like this, for example, then you can expect that pullback will be able to find buyers again at the next 100% extension every single time, right? Every single time. So instead of trying to short sell, therefore because you are going against the trend now, if you are short selling, then just continue to wait for a pullback to give you an opportunity to keep buying oil, right? In this is Brent crude oil in this case. All right, so that's the idea here. This is more from a long-term perspective, and we don't cover Brent crude, but we do cover the other type of crude, the crude oil, the light crude oil in our service in group 1. And if you do want to get more updates on oil or any other commodities, indices, Forex, feel free to check our website. We have 14-day trial. I'll put the link in the description of the video. All right, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.